If you're waiting for your W-2 and wondering when employers are legally required to send it, and what to do if it hasn't arrived, this video will explain that clearly. In this video, we'll explain when W-2s must be sent by law, how employers are allowed to send them, and what steps make sense if you haven't received yours yet, calmly and in plain language. By law, employers must furnish W-2 forms to employees by January 31st following the end of the tax year. That deadline applies regardless of employer size, industry, whether payroll is handled internally or by a service. Furnished means the employer must mail the W-2 or make it electronically available if the employee has consented. It does not mean you must have it in hand by January 31st. It means the employer must have sent it by then. That distinction matters. Employers have multiple legal options for delivering W-2s. They may print and mail them directly from their own office, use a payroll service that mails them on the employer's behalf, provide them electronically through a secure portal with employee consent. All of these methods are allowed under the law. What matters is that the W-2 is sent by the deadline, not how it's produced. Even when employers comply with the law, W-2s can arrive later than people expect. Common reasons include mailing time, address changes, electronic delivery settings, payroll service processing schedules. A short delay does not automatically mean the employer failed to send it. If you haven't received your W-2, the first step is confirmation, not escalation. Start by checking any employee portals or email delivery settings, confirming your mailing address with the employer, asking when and how W-2s were sent. In most cases, this resolves the issue quickly. If a W-2 truly wasn't sent, employers can reissue or correct it. That process exists for a reason. It's important not to guess income amounts, file using estimates without documentation, assume a missing W-2 means something is wrong. Accuracy matters more than speed. Waiting for a W-2 is common this time of year. Understanding the legal deadline and the delivery process helps turn waiting into a manageable step, not a source of stress. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a like. Every like we receive inspires us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. We hope you have a blessed day.